Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the channel. If you are a big fan of gardening like me, or you have just started growing your own cucumbers, we have something great for you. Today we will share a secret that no one talks about, which will help your cucumbers grow healthy, lush and full of fruit. And it is not just an ordinary top dressing. This is a real game changer. Stay with us until the very end of the video so that you can learn about the secret that many do not want to talk about and the secret that is hidden from the public. If you are already a fan of gardening, you certainly know how important it is to use the right plant fertilizer. If you want to learn more tips and tricks on how to grow the best plants in your garden, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified of all new videos. Also, write in the comments, do you plant cucumbers? How do you feed them? Have you ever used a secret ingredient that helped your plants become even better? We'd love to hear your experiences. So share your tips and tricks with us. Cucumbers, as we know, are great for gardens, but they can also be very sensitive. Many things can affect their growth, from diseases, pests, to poor nutrition. Although cucumbers love the sun and water, sometimes that's not enough to get really high-quality fruit. If your plant isn't growing properly, or if you're dealing with pests that are destroying it, it might be time to introduce a new trick to your gardening routine. That's why today I want to introduce you to a secret ingredient that is actually one of the most natural and easiest ways to improve the health of your plants, and it is eggshells. It may sound surprising, but believe me, eggshells are a real miracle for your cucumbers. Why eggshells? First, they are a natural source of calcium, a very important mineral that your plants need for healthy growth. Calcium helps strengthen the plant cell walls, which is essential for preventing disease and damage that can occur due to bad weather or pest attacks. In addition, eggshells also help maintain soil balance, improving its quality. Now, let's talk about how to use eggshells in your garden. First, once the shells are dry, simply chop or crush them into small pieces. You can scatter them around your plants or even mix them into the soil before planting. The eggshells will gradually break down and release calcium, which will nourish your plants over time. In addition to helping with nutrition, eggshells are great pest control. Their sharp edges act as a natural barrier to slugs and other small insects that can damage your plants. So, by combining eggshells with proper care, your plants will be much healthier and more resilient. If you're wondering, what else can I do to improve the health of my plants? The answer is simple. Constantly monitor the conditions in your garden: healthy soil, sufficient water, and the occasional treat with natural supplements like eggshells make a big difference. Every plant is unique, so make sure to use what works best for your conditions in your garden. Anyway, I hope you found this eggshell trick useful and that you'll try it out in your garden. If you have any other tricks or tips that have helped you grow cucumbers, be sure to share them with us in the comments. We all love to learn from each other. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'll have many more useful tips for you soon, and you certainly don't want to miss any of them. Click the bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Best wishes from the garden. And good luck with your cucumbers. Until next time.